Peace. Welcome back to the Absolute Boss Collective. This is another $500 challenge update. I have about 40 trades to share with you, the majority of them being option trades. Before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Turn on your post notifications so you can know when I drop more $500 challenge updates. And most importantly, share this information with your friends and family so they can get in on the #1 game in America. This video right here is brought to you by the sounds of my brother, Lord Jessiah and Bronze Nazareth, who dropped the brand new album, Time Waits for No One. So that music that you're hearing, that's my brother right there. The name of the song playing is called Unlimited Jewels. It's Lord Jessiah with Bronze Nazareth featuring Mickey Fax. Okay, so make sure y'all run out there and pick that up. Okay, and without further ado, let's get into those trades, baby. We're gonna start it off with a stock trade. I had 7 shares of SPDR at a total cost of $355.69, average price of $50.81 a share. I was out of that trade at $439.10 for or average per share price of $62.72 for a profit of $83.41 or 23.45%. I had Roblox, RBLX. I had the $60 put at $454.51. I was out of that trade at $144.97 or 31.89%. I had a VIX June 17, 24 put for $475.51. I was out of that trade at $504.49 for a profit of $28.98 or 6.09%. NVIDIA, 285 call at $484.51. It's out of that trade at $565.48 for a profit of $80.97 or 16.71%. Just so you know, my personal target is 20% or more per trade. So I came very close in some of these and exceeded in one, I believe. I also had the NVIDIA 235 put at $495.51. I was out of that trade at $555.48 for a profit of $59.97 or 12.10%. On to the NASDAQ QQQ 320 put at $245.51. I was out at $275.49 for a profit of $29.98 or 12.21%. I had the 319 put at $251.51. I was out at $277.49 for a profit of $25.98 or 10.32%. I'll take 10%. That ain't bad. I had the 335 put at $450.51, out at $492.49 for a profit of $41.98 or 9.31%. On to the 355 call at $371.51, out at $407.48 for a profit of $35.97 or 9.68%. On to the 336 put at $379.51. I was out at $419.48 for a profit of $39.97 or 10.53%. I have the 354 put at $390.51. Was out at $519.48 for a profit of $128.97 or 33.02%. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Time waits for no one. Hear the music? Okay. I had the 356 call at $444.51. I was out at $477.48 for a profit of $32.97 or 7.41%. I had the 318 put at 432.51. I was out at 496.48 for a profit of $63.97 or 14.79%. I had the 337 call at 476.51. I was out at $555.48 for a profit of $78.97 or 16.57%. The 351 call at 329.51 was out at $371.48 for a profit of $41.97 or 12.71%. The 349 put at 385.51 out at 413.48 for a profit of $27.97 or 7.25%. The 347 put at 441.51 out at 487.48 for a profit of $45.97 or 10.41%. And finally, for the NASDAQ, the 346 put at 456.51 out at 496.48 for a profit of $39.97 or 8.75%. Okay, on to the Russell, ticker symbol IWM. I had the 194 put at 304.51 out at 335.49 for a profit of $30.98 or 10.17%. I had the 193 put at 301.51 out at 357.48 for a profit of $55.97 or 18.56%. On to the 193 put at 455.51 out at 551.48 for a profit of $95.97 or 21.06%. Okay, so you can see sometimes I miss the mark. Okay, I just have to follow what the market is telling me. Time waits for no one. So if I feel like the trade may go against me, I'm gonna pull out. Finally, for the Russell, I had the 193 put at 301.51 out at 357.48 for a profit of $55.97 or 18.56%. And now on to the bread and butter, the SPY. I had the 430 call at 261.51. I was out at 294.49 for $32.98 or 12.61%. I had the 442 put at 397.51. I was out at 429.48 for a profit of $31.97 or 8.04%. I had the 450 call at 488.51, out at 528.48 for a profit of $39.97 or 8.18%. I had the 453 call at 491.51. I was out at 464.48 for a profit of $72.97 or 14.84%. I had the 414 put at 244.51, out at 290.48 for a profit of $45.97 or 18.80%. I had 443 call at 212.51. I was out at 259.49 for a profit of $46.98 or 22.17%. I had the 444 call at 221.51. I was out at 250.49 for a profit of $28.98 or 13.08%. I had the 437 call at 416.51. I was out at 492.48 for a profit of $75.97 or 18.23%. Close, but no Philly blunt. Okay, the SPY 444 call at 251.51, out at $305.48 for a profit of $53.97 or 21.45%. I had the 445 call at $300.51, out at $349.48 for a profit of $48.97 or 16.29%. I had the 323 444 call again at 318.51, out at 379.48 for a profit of $60.97 or 19.14%. I had the 325 442 put at $400.51, out at 433.48 for a profit of $32.97 or 8.23%. On to the 325 441 put at 403.51, out at 441.48 for a profit of $37.97 or 9.40%. On to the 328 443 put at 440.51. I was out at 497.48 for a profit of $56.97 or 12.93%. And closing out the SPY trades, I had the 328 446 call at 429.51. I was out at 499.48 for a profit of $69.97 or 16.29%. Add up all of those trades, you get a grand total of $2,007.41 or 400.10%, okay, on $500. So, this is your brother in trading and investing, signing off for the Absolute Boss Collective, and we're going to let the God, Lord Jessiah, Bronze Nazareth, Mickey Fax, take us out with unlimited jewels. That's what we got here at the Absolute Boss Collective. Unlimited jewels. Peace.